This charming craftsman-style two-story home offers a lovely mix of character and updates, making it both warm and move-in friendly. As you arrive, you'll notice the home sits on a nice level lot. The siding is aluminum and the roof is metal, lending durability with low maintenance. There's a detached 1.5 car garage for your vehicle plus extra storage. Walk through the front door and you'll find a traditional layout with a generous, inviting living room that gets plenty of natural light through large windows. The floors are new, the windows have been updated, and there are beautiful archways that add architectural charm as you move from room to room. The kitchen is neat and updated with stainless steel sink, quality cabinets, and attractive countertops. Off of the kitchen, you'll find a dining room and a half bath, which are convenient for guests. Head upstairs and you'll find 3 bedrooms. The primary bedroom is spacious, with 2 others that are nicely sized as well. Downstairs is a partially finished basement, with part of it usable living space and part of it storage. There's also a full bathroom, laundry room, and room to stretch out, maybe a rec room or hobby space. With its mix of charm, updates, and a great location, 4422 Marquette Drive is a home worth seeing. Call Risa Seckler to schedule your tour today.